Good morning, students. Today's lecture is a continuation of the previous lecture on secularism. Let's begin. The term secular was first used in 1851. During that time, it had only one basic meaning. So, what was the only one basic meaning? That is, the laws that are relating to morals and social values as having been created by humans for the well-being and harmonious functioning of the society. As these laws were created by humans and not divine creation, that is not by God, it did not require the sanction of divine authority also. So, as these laws are not created by humans, there is no need for the intervention or the sanction by divine authority also. What we can understand from this is, in a secular society, there is no intervention of the religious institutions. The authority or those in power, in keeping with the values of tolerance, that is the ability to deal with social responsibility, creates what is best for society. So how the authority functions? It functions through laws. How did social values grow? It grew out of rational, that is, thinking based on reason, and debate and discussion. So this established a moral code, that is, beliefs of what is right, beliefs about what is right or wrong. That is agreed not by a simple majority in the society, but by the entire society. And it was definitely not linked to any particular religion, caste or class. If so, then it will be difficult to create a moral code that would be agreed by the entire society, that is by the majority, as religion, caste or class in society varies. The laws and social values that govern the society should be observed as laws in themselves, and not because they carry any divine sanction, but the laws and social values that are used for governing a society, it should be observed as laws in themselves. These laws have their own authority, which is different from religion or caste or whatever that is, for instance, class distinction. As we know in our society, the power that religion holds still exists, that is, the belief and faith in a deity and in afterlife still exists in our society. So according to Thapar, secularism is not a denial, that is a refusal of religion, but a curtailment, that is reducing or the reduction of the control that religious organizations have over social function. So people have freedom to practice or follow any religion, but in a secular society, there should be reduction of the control that the religious organizations have in our society. So this is all for today. Thank you.